Okay, let's see what's in our other box down here. I think this is just going to be a single case. I don't remember what it is. I think it's another Buell. The only way you know what happened, how Harley does stuff, you have to buy parts. Once you buy the parts, then you can tell what the hell they're doing. And then I can figure out what I want to modify to do my racing stuff. So I just buy a bunch of junk, figure out what I want to use, figure out how I'm going to modify it, and then I go for it. What the hell is that rattling noise? Got a primary cover in here or something? Got a weird sounding thing. Okay, I'm going to get this cut in half. There we go, that's how you get in a box. Cut the damn thing in half and rip on it. There's how you get a box open. Force it apart. Knives don't work when tape gets stuck on them. Yeah. Tape, let go of me. Knife's getting all loaded up full of crap. It doesn't want to cut. Did a good job packing. No damage. Hard to get to though. Definitely a workout getting into it. Alright, what is that? Sounds like a damn primary. Something rattling in there. It's sheet metal, it's not aluminum. What the hell did I buy in there? Okay, now we're getting there. There we go. There, success. Now I'm down to another box. Looks like they're the same package deal. Uh-oh, it's coming apart. It's getting in there. Oh, that's why it's making that rattling noise. It's not a case. It's an inner primary. Something else. Alright. That appears to be a softail part. Not sure why I bought this. I remember I was looking at an NOS one, but this ain't new. Yeah, this is I'm guessing this is late 80s softail. It's got 4 bolts, that's a softail. If it only had 3 bolts, it'd be a Dynaglide. So this is 4 bolt, it's a softail. So this has the old style starter on it instead of a jack shaft. Takes a jack shaft in here and a solenoid in here. So that's not the gear reduction starter like the late ones are. That started in 89, late 89. So this is going to be before that. So this is probably something in the 86-7 time frame through 89. Let's see, they kind of got a part number here. It ends like in an 86, so I'm guessing it's 86 is when they use this primary cover. It's die casted, not sand. Does not appear to be broken, which is good. It looks like it's pretty good condition. Definitely not eaten all up. Trying to figure out what's going on up in here. I don't know if that's been welded and repaired, or is that just how they made the damn thing. It looks like it's been a repair up in there. It might be a repair job. They did a pretty good job. Die cast does not weld worth a squat. I'm guessing it looks like it's repaired because it looks like it's been machined here and it's not quite 100% even. So I'm guessing this has been worked on a little bit. But a pretty nice job. Let's see what I paid for this thing because it's modified. It's been repaired. It's not good virgin parts. Knowing me, I didn't pay much for it. And if you ever need one of those, good luck in finding one. They don't reproduce them. That's why I buy stuff. So if somebody needs it, I have it.